Hi, I'm Travis with US Tape, and today we're taking a look at our Stringliner Mason's Twine. If you're a mason, contractor, or a DIY enthusiast, you know how important it is to have a reliable line solution for your work, whether it's masonry, landscaping, or framing. That's where Stringliner comes in. In this video, we'll be discussing the features and benefits of our Stringliner products to help you decide which one is right for you to make sure your job is easier and more efficient. Stringliner Mason's Twine is made from a durable, high-strength number 18 nylon that is resistant to abrasions, moisture, and rotting. This means it can withstand the rough conditions of a construction site and won't break down or become weakened over time. One of the standout features of Stringliner is its high visibility. The variety of colors available make it easy to see against any background, which is crucial when working with brick, laying concrete, or framing a house or deck. This can save you time and reduce the risk of mistakes on the job site. In addition to its durability and visibility, Stringliner is also extremely flexible. It can be easily wound around corners and won't kink or tangle like some traditional twine. This makes it much easier to use and can save you time and frustration. Stringliner comes in three main styles: braided, twisted, and bonded. Braided Stringliner is made by braiding together multiple strands of number 18 nylon, which makes it extremely strong, durable, and less likely to fray when cut. Twisted Stringliner is made by twisting together multiple strands of number 18 nylon. This makes it cheaper, more flexible, and easy to handle. Bonded Stringliner is a braided mason's twine that comes in mixed color combos like black and orange or black and yellow, and has an additional coating making it stronger and more abrasion resistant. If you're looking for an even more convenient and efficient line solution, you might want to consider Stringliner Pro. This version of Stringliner features a patented handle design that makes it easy to hold and use, even with gloves on. The handle allows you to quickly change rolls, and you can rewind your string using the hand crank, or auto rewind using a power screwdriver inserted into the slot in the bottom of the handle. The Pro Reel fits all Stringliner rolls from 4 to 6 inches long for your convenience. Another product to consider is LevelWiz Stringliner. This innovative tool combines a level and Stringliner Mason's Twine into one convenient package. It allows you to easily create a straight line and level it at the same time, saving you time and hassle on the job. So what are the benefits of using Stringliner Mason's Twine? First and foremost, it can save you time and hassle on the job. Its durability and flexibility make it easy to use, and its high visibility can help prevent mistakes. It's also a cost-effective solution, as it can withstand rough conditions and won't need to be replaced as frequently as traditional twine or rope. Needless to say, Stringliner is a must-have when it comes to the layout needs for your next project. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and checking us out on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.